Hello, sewing and quilting friends. You're very welcome to my sewing room, whether you are a regular viewer or if this is your first visit. I got this block from one of my old pattern books. It's called Puss in the Corner. I changed the name to Cat's Baskets as I didn't particularly like the thought of a cat being in a corner. This book just has the pattern pictures with no instructions or sizes, so I devised a way of making this block that suits me and my style of patchwork and quilting. More of that in a moment. I started by selecting 3 fabrics, some of my white Egyptian cotton offcuts, a dark blue print and a light blue print. Of course, you can use whatever you like, and this is a great block for using up little pieces, but I did want a colour theme, and I do feel if you were making a quilt from this block, it would work well if you kept the dark print in the 9 block that you just see there to the left of the image the same throughout whilst changing the other fabrics. I chose to make the background fabric white, but you could have a mixture. You could use this block to use up all of your sashing leftovers, for instance. So some would be white, some would be cream. I happen to have mine all white. So I started by cutting 4 2.5 inch by 6.5 inch strips from the mid blueprint. You can just see those there to the left, top left of the picture. I then cut 11 strips the same size from my white fabric. Finally, I cut 16 2.5 inch by 2.5 inch squares from my dark blue print to go in the corners. And 20 2.5 inch by 2.5 inch squares to make up the 9 patch blocks that you can just see there in the middle of the left-hand side of the picture. I started off by assembling these into the 9 patch. So I did this by joining one dark blueprint to one white square and then joining that into a 9 patch. I pressed the seams towards the darker fabric. And then joined the rows together, making sure that I matched up the seams. And the seam allowance was turning in opposite directions to reduce the bulk. So to recap, you need 16 2.5 inch by 2.5 inch square pieces of fabric in a darker print fabric, 20 in a white or light fabric the same size. You need 11 2.5 inch by 6.5 inch strips in a light fabric and 4 2.5 inch by 6.5 inch strips in a contrast print. Making this very simple. If you do it like me, you just need 3 colours in 2 sizes. The next step I took was to join 10 of the 11 white strips together into 5 pairs. Then I took one of these paired up strips and added a third, i.e. the 11th strip to it. This makes the centre square of the block. I then took each of the remaining 2 pairs of white strips and added one of the strips of the contrast blue print to it. I had 2 reasons for constructing the block in this way. As you see me doing here, I pressed the seams on the white fabric apart to improve the appearance, but I do like the look of patchwork that's in the same or similar fabric but joined together. I prefer this to a large white blank square that I would have had. It also means that I can use up sashing scraps that are not necessarily exactly the same colour, maybe cream and white. This also allowed me to be more accurate. I used a 1/4 inch seam allowance throughout, and the 2 seams in this block, for instance, matched the 2 seams in the 9 block, so I knew that these elements would have the same side length once constructed.